Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Media Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a neon text effect on your Canva mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show how to create a neon text effect on your Canva. Just go with a custom size here. It's a 500 into 500. So we're just going to create a new design here. So we're just going to create a neon text effect. For the neon text effect, we just need a black background so it will be look so cool. So I just going with the black background here. Then I'm just going to add a text here. So just add any text here and just type whatever you just need to create like neon effect, right? So just go with the capital letters so it will look more perfect. Okay. And show you neon text, neon effect. Okay. Then you just need to change the font to the outline font. So just type as outline here. And then you can find a lot of fonts here. So as a search result, here I just want to go with a font like this, so which actually look great. Okay. Then after creating this, you just can resize this. So I just can cut this. I'm just going to change this color so it will look good actually. So I just go with red color for this. So selecting this and just changing to this to red color, and this should be a purple color, which will be look great, or blue color. Then after applying the color, you just need to go to the option called effect. Click on this. You have this option on the bottom. Just swipe this and click on the effect option. Just you want to pick an option called neon. Click on this. Click on the effect option. Just go to the full intensity. The same process. Click on and then okay. The same process, just click on the effect, go to the neon effect, click on the setting option, go to the full intensity. So now you just created the neon text effect as we are talking about. This is how you just create a neon text effect on your Canva, on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.